friends, are you ready to read with me today? We're going to have fun with CVC words like cat, man, bed and rat. Let's sound them out and say them in sentences. Let's become super readers together. So grab that thinking hat and let's jump on the word magic. Let's make sentences. The cat, cat, cat. Sat, sat. On. The at, mat. And we need our period at the end. The sight words in this sentence is the. Phonic words are cat, sat, on and mat. So the sentence for this one is: the cat sat on the mat. You try. Nice job. Let's look at the next one. Man, has, red, cap, period at the end. The sentence is: a man has a red cap. Yes, a red cap. Next words. Well, this is our sight word again. The. At, rat. Ran. To. The. Bag. Period. Two sight words there. The and to. CVC words: rat, ran and bag. Here is your sentence. The rat ran to the bag. Your turn. Excellent job. Shh. He's sleeping. Dad. Had. Nap. On. The. Bed. Sight word: the. CVC words: dad, had, nap, on and bed. And don't forget your period when you're making a sentence. So our sentence says: Dad had a nap on the bed. So it's a long sentence. I'm going to repeat that. Dad had a nap on the bed. Your turn. Well done, everyone. Okay, do you want more phonics? Come and join me in a class. Click on this link and book a lesson today. See you soon. You've been great today. You've been super readers. You sounded out all of those CVC words like champions. Remember, the more you read, the stronger your brain gets. Keep practicing words like cat, man, bed and rat. And you'll be reading big words like this yourself. If you've had fun today, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more word adventures and hit that bell button for when a new video comes up. Thanks for reading today with me. Bye bye for now.